Good day, folks. We're doing another opaque stain today. Let's get into it. 1 part Super Duper Oil, 2 parts Safer Solvent, and 2 parts Mr. Cornwall's Creative Colors, Russet Red. Mix it up very well. And here we're applying with a white pad, making sure to work it in and evenly saturate the surface. Once it's all worked in, we're going to come back and do a quick back wipe with a little piece of paper towel or a rag, making sure not to leave any white marks. And that's it. You're done. You have a beautiful opaque stain, but let's show you how you can step it up even another notch and do a coat of Odie's oil. So here we're just simply applying a regular coat of Odie's universal oil, working it in. We'll let it set up for 45 minutes to an hour, and then come back and buff away any and all excess oil until dry to touch. There we have it, folks. Let's take a closer look. Look at that beautiful sheen. This piece was only sanded to 150. Gorgeous opaque stain. You can almost get paint-like results with this technique. This is going to be great for your decks, your doors, your fences, all kinds of exterior projects. Beautiful UV protection. We're going to be showcasing all the colors with various techniques of rolling it on, brushing it on, and just really show you that there are no limitations and no restrictions to the all-natural Odie's oil system of finishing. See you out here on the next one.